Well, you probably wonder what this is all about. What is this all about, Alan?
Well, it's all about Grandpa's and Grandma's farm, because this is going to be the ending part of Grandpa and Grandma's going away program. Going to be Grandpa and Grandma's going away program.
Let me see if I have this right. Grandma and Grandpa have been slaving away here on this lovely farm not far from the Alta Mills, just a little ways from the Little Arkansas River here, tucked between the Harvey County Park and Willow Lake. And they've been slaving away here as dairy farmers for what, 30 years now? 35, Mother gives me the hand signal. And that this is going to be all over in a few days, right?
And today is?
And today is July 1, 1987. You'll probably be watching this in the year 2000 and whenever I say that, kids, I know you're watching. I want you to fill in the blanks, okay? Let's do it again. The year where you're watching is 2000 and, okay, and the year where we are now is 1987. There's Grandpa bringing in the cows, not one of his favorite things to do because his knees are shot. Now, shot is a word we use to mean ruined or no good anymore, right?
This is called a randle, and not everybody has these. This Ransom Stuckies, right?
No. Anybody who wants them.
I want to tell you, this barn is 30 years old. It was built in 1957. 30 years old! And these stalls are so old, they were bought used, and this orange paint was a undercoat, a prime coat, and Grandpa Eli painted that first coat of paint in 1957. That would be great-grandpa Eli. Eli Yoder, in fact.
Who's been dead for 12 years?
Yes, he died in 1972.
Let's see what.
But he helped us, and he also helped us nail out the ceiling. Did you drain the bowl?
Yeah.
You guys stand by the wall.
Yeah, you
You
guys.
stand by the wall.
Well,
so
it's
the
just,
camera-
you can be here, but let's you have nothing on your chalkboard now, do you?
Oh. We always wrote dry cows.
Fresh cows, sick cows, cows to breed.
Pretty cows.
I have to go out of here.
Are you ready to turn them in?
Ready? Ready. You don't have any rain here.
Okay, Brian, this black cow is...
Boy, you go out, okay?
Come on, this black cow is one that we put up with for a long time. She gives good milk, but she kicks, and every time we milked her in the last how many years, since she first freshened, we have to put this thing, we call it a kicker. It's a hobble. We put it up like this and over her back, and she's about the only one that we do that to. And Dad has threatened to sell her. Oh, many times. One time they called the trucker, and the trucker did not answer, so we still have her.
She's 9.5 years old.
But she likes to kick.
This wants to feed us a lot.
Well, it's so muddy, I don't think I'll right. You gotta stand up against the wall, so we don't hit the wall. We need to get one more cow in here. One more cow.
Good boy.
Sometimes two want to come in, and then we give them a screw in the face, so they don't come. I think this is our oldest cow. Yeah, this is number 177. She's our oldest cow that we have now. First we rinse these off with cold water. And then we get warm water. And we put a squirt of iodine in here for sanitizing. 3 Scott towels in the big bucket and 2 in the little.
Oh, you have a system down so
Yeah,
well.
the big bucket we wash with, and then we rinse with the iodine solution. So the cows have actually been through 3 processes. The cold water from the hose, and then the warm water from the bucket. So that makes their tits nice and clean, so their milk is clean.
Okay.
Also, the other thing it does, washing them stimulates the milk to start coming. And then it will let the milk down, and it will come.
explain about the ping pong balls.
Well, when I need one, I do show it maybe a
Okay.
little bit later.
Okay.
We take one stock towel and dry them all.
Explain every little detail. Let's do that.
Well,
That's
no,
okay.
but you don't know why. This is for the children of the 20th century.
This is for 2010.
That's what I said. Wait 1 minute from the time you wash until you put the milkers on. We never time that, but you're doing something else and the minute goes by. Is that vacuum right?
What?
Is that vacuum okay? Okay, Ron.
Yeah.
You got it, Monty? Reds and Stuckies are the only people that use ping pong balls. When a one tin is done, you stick a ping pong ball on the end of that pickup and let it go down, and then it doesn't suck dirt up off the floor.
Oh, you want to take pictures? Yeah, okay. Oh, hang on. This is the milk bowl with the milk comes gushing out of it. They're seeing corn come down the automatic feeder. We've got the elevators. Now we've got the pivot system. Dad will put the reverse at a certain point.